Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how to speed up a video in Canva. To speed up a video in Canva, launch open the Canva application on your mobile device and then make sure that you're signed in as well. Now from the home page, click the plus button at the bottom and create a new design that you want to edit using the templates or with your own image from your device's camera roll. Or you can also select an existing project under recent design list. After you've selected a project, make sure that you have a video in it which you want to speed up. After you have also added the video, select the video from the canvas. And once you select it, a bottom menu should appear where you'll need to simply go ahead and choose the playback option. Now inside video playback, you will be able to see a little white dot which you should increase by dragging it towards the right hand side. And now once you have set it to the maximum, you can play the video and you will be able to see that you have speed up the video. You can also slow down the video if you drag the white dots toward the left hand side, while the right hand side will speed up your video just like that. And that is how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.